A very good morning to all students. How are you all? Hope that all of you are fine and in good health. So students, this is Amit Tripathi, your maths teacher, and today we are going to start our chapter that is linear equation in two variables. Today we are going to have a very short introduction about what is linear equation in two variables. Okay. First of all, the first question that comes in our mind, that what is an equation? Okay, let us take a very simple example that x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. X, what is x? X is a variable. And what is 2? 2 is a constant. And what we have used in between both, we have used a sign, that is equal sign. Okay, or I can say that I have equated x to 2, that is x is equal to 2. Okay, it is called an equation. It is a very simple equation that x is equal to 2. Okay, I can also write y is equal to 0. This is also an equation. Okay, a variable is equal to a constant. A very simple equation. Okay, now in this equation, if I write, there are several parts of an equation. Like in an equation, I can also write as x minus 2 equal to 4. Okay, there is two parts. There are two parts of this equation. One is left hand side and the other one is right hand side. There are two expressions. Okay, this is also an expression. Okay, this is also an expression, and this is the another expression. Is there some difference in both the expression? Yeah. In this expression there is a variable whose value we don't know, and in this expression we know the value because it is a constant. Okay, so here I can say that it is having only one variable. Okay, and when we are using a sign of equal, it is called an equation. We are using variables, we are using constant, and we are showing a sign of equal. That means it represents a equation. Okay, so equation simply means that we are equating two quantities, or we are equating a variable with a constant, or we are equating two things. Okay. Now the second thing is what we mean by linear equation. Okay. Now we have studied about degree in polynomials in second chapter. That is degree. Okay. What is degree? Degree is the highest power. Degree is the highest power of the variable. Okay, like if I am writing x square is equal to 4, here the power of x is 2, so it is quadratic. It is quadratic equation because the power of the variable is 2. So whenever the highest power of the variable is 1, it will be known as linear equation. Equation with degree 1 will be known as linear equation. Now we are talking about linear equation in two variables. Here we can see that the linear equation in one variable have only a unique solution. it has a unique solution that x is equal to 5. Okay. Okay. Now when we talk about linear equation in two variable, okay, like let us write out linear equation in two variables. Okay. I am giving a very simple example of linear equation in two variable. Like there are two friends, Ram and Shyam. Ram and Shyam both have total 5 rupees. Okay, Ram and Shyam total have 5 rupees. We can write this simple equation like x plus y is equal to 5, where x is the rupee Ram is having and y is the value of rupee Shyam is having, and total they are having 5 rupees. So we can write x plus y is equal to 5. That's a very simple equation in two variables. Okay. Now let us see the parts of this simple equation. Here we have written x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. This is the constant. Okay, now we can shift all the values to one side of the equation. Okay. Here we can see that what is the coefficient of, we can also write it in a standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. This is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables, where what is a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is a constant. Now comparing both the equation, what we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus. So this is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. Equation means that we are equating, linear means degree is 1, and two variables means there are two variables in that equation. Okay.